Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another unboxing video, or uncartoning, because this is actually kind of carton, but it looks like a box, right? It's a square, it's a cube. Anyways, so today we're going to be unboxing the K&N Premium Oil Filter. Um, this is an 1004. Uh, Basically, I know that I had another video of the Mobile One oil filter. I actually wanted to compare both of them to see what's the difference. You know what I mean? Like, so we looked at the. If you go back to the other video, you'll see like a slight difference, and I can already tell already because it already has like a wrench off. You know, for like the inside of it. It even tells you too. That's what's kind of cool. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So, everybody knows K&N's performance, so it's more of like the top of the line, well established. It's almost like how can I say it? It's like performance, I guess. Yeah, I don't think they could say street racing or anything, but yeah. So as we look here, it has a wrench, so I know that it's a pain to get this oil filter off sometimes because sometimes the oil filter it clogs on, and what stays on is this right here, this little gasket. That's the main part. We always look out for this gasket, and it looks premium too because the other ones they seem kind of thin. This one seems like it's stuck on there, so that's kind of good. And of course, we got this right here. Oh, it has a little one too, so you can give it a little room to breathe. So the first thing, obviously, if you compare it to all the oil filters, this is the best one. This is like, I'm pretty sure this is patented. Yeah, it is. So it's pretty cool. No oil filter I've seen so far that I've been like observing, they don't have any of this. So this is gonna help a lot, especially if it's like in a tight corner under your car for some reason. It's literally like under your engine. Um, yeah, let's take a look at the inside. I'm gonna try to get like a little lighting, and as you can tell, I'll try to do this. Like, sorry, I can't get the light on that here. Maybe let me try this real quick. That's why I brought this light. So, there you go. As you can tell, it is premium. Try to get a better lighting with the camera. Sorry, guys. Yeah, this is definitely gonna avoid any type of confrontation because everybody knows that the oil filter protects you when it's windy, when the rain, and you can see all the little grooves, any little dirt, air, dust, rain, even all the mushy stuff. And I see that little in the middle. You can't see it. Sorry, guys. But yeah, this is how you know it's gonna be really, really good compared to all the other oil filters. I at this point my car's pretty like it's in its 25th anniversary, 27th. Um, I usually don't get these parts because or I usually go with the the affordable budget one. But at this point, I'm just trying to make my car last as much as it can before switching over to a Tesla or so, or if I ever change my mind. But I actually want to experiment with those. But yeah. Basically, overall, the K&N performance. I even have a K&N air filter too. So, and I've had nothing but good impressions so far. They've been really, really good. You usually just wash it off, and you're on your way. So yeah, guys, let me know in the comments below if what oil filter you use particularly and why. I know that some brands have their own, but I actually like to buy off brands or like premium brands. That's why I bought the K&N filter and the mobile one. Also, we got I know I should have just. There's really no unboxing for the oil, but yeah, we have the Penn's oil back here in the background. So, huge shout out to Penn's oil for hooking it up with the platinum full synthetic 10W30. You don't want it to be. Basically, yeah, I think everybody knows this about the weather, like the temperature drop. So if you don't know about that, do a little bit more research. But overall, yeah, I always use full synthetic because I have a high mileage in my car, and of course here are the quarts. Uh, Mine fills up at 4, so I'm gonna have to stop right here in this area. Oh, sorry, I wasn't even looking at it. Yeah, at this area right here because that's how many quarts the cart takes. I know it kind of it's like climbing slowly, but you can literally tell here's the 5th level. So just go based off that. Other than that, yeah, guys, this is pretty much it. This is like a 2-in-1 unboxing video because you can't really unbox this kind of lubrication. And yeah, I was actually gonna get the high mileage, but they didn't have it at the time, so it's okay. Other than that, I mean, even if I get this one, I get better fuel economy, so kind of stoked for it. Other than that, of course, they have limited warranty on all products, so Pennzoil has been around for a long time. So we're gonna see them for a while, and you've probably seen it over like at, you know, it's like a bell, like no one really notices it, but yeah, guys. So this, like I said, this was a 2-in-1 unboxing video. So we got the K&N filter and a platinum full synthetic, and yeah, let me know. Oh, of course, and I know I did an unboxing video, so I kind of bought all these 3 as a bundle, and I just try to do them separately. So yeah, like I said, guys, let me know in the comments below what particular setup do you use. Do you like buy Mobile One with the Mobile One air filter and then basically the washers, or do you use a twist and drain? Let me know what you guys use. Huge shout out to Riley for always hooking it up. Thank you, guys. Huge shout out to Minnie Mouse for being here with us, and Heart for basically providing good tools. Not a sponsor either for Heart, but Heart, want to talk to me? Let's talk. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.